Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign out of all your devices in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to sign out of all your devices all at once, then this video is for you. Sometimes it can be confusing of where you can find the option to do that, so I'll help you with it. Let's get right on it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and open Steam first. And once you're in this page, just look at the top right corner where you can see a question mark icon. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're here, you would find account details right above change account. Just go ahead and tap there. And now you're in this page. Now you can see even more options over here. Just scroll horizontally till you find authorized devices. Just go ahead and tap there. And now you can see all the devices that you have signed in Steam. So if you want to sign out of all of them at once, scroll down. So right at the end, you can see remove all credentials option. So once you tap here, you would be automatically signed out of all your devices. So guys, there you go. Just go ahead and tap on proceed and in this way, you would successfully be able to sign out of all your devices in Steam. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.